Paano siya din? Paano tayo si saxophone?
Send ko lang.
Send to your phone, Microsoft Manager. Install. O, gawa na tayo, nakadawa na natin ang videos na.
Pagawa na lang tayo sa kanya.
Huwag na tayo sa set tayo, nagpapamuna ako, naka-record ko na ang bata. That's it. But, ito na kami ako.
Alright, so there is a bottom there. So once we click the bottom, so the program will show randomly selected colors. Okay. Okay. So the bottom is actually clickable, or we could touch it. It's on the mobile phone. Okay. So basically, so the code that let's say that tells the random color button to select from different colors.